ene wukwada sana wada area busuya obi mpedok no bi e hye bi mekodi ano eden fa nhia me na me nidi me nya ho de esa konkonsa na meyi ba ene wuko woman crush Wednesday ya mama the mama of the house Frank Bom my one and only Mamsi the mama but my me can game or me the mamas of the house born Joyce in fact Dr. Kahon Dr. Joyce Akuma Dangote Paddy or a television radio personality in fact sa nyama ohu TV so nyina sa shy Akuma na started ono and I the pioneer and see anybody else a copycat mumo mame mami one and I'm celebrating the mu again because this slogan meda say the evergreen mama Zimbi with the signature dukwa what me the fun shem kaki shem mommy and opay celebrate the mu pa take your flowers because those days you know most sex education am we with TV so my yesu and me p abstinence ni ade nyame nhra o mo ho ban mo wa hoden e ho na me gina aka che say tie kase boy na hye nso October breast cancer awareness na me mama akoye obamu o cheche nto mama widows o ye donation o sad we sasa to no ho so say o baba abaye breast cancer screening free Breaking Yoke Ministry International work Legon because akuma mama Zimbi at 17 mebisa obiem tiflu age mami aye adwuma 17 years utiflu age I was saying ye put some respect on her name and in collaboration with New Crystal Health Services Limited akuma the free breast cancer screening ebro Breaking Yoke Ministry work Legon mo time na chibela kwa wanga munyina ya da munyina ma City Brothers Floral and Asefo say more time my me chairman di dwumadi esronku say aba 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. 15th October na o hye nso no and 15th me boa and I started 8 abo for any chere ho me pon kwa me de mani chere e honom say to ono and me woman crush Wednesday mumbo ma akuma mama Zimbi na we asia catch us say amfa ho bo ni papa ya moa can promise nyame the boy need to far what they need to from tertiary to global just say escafon kwa na guy ni omudi agro na nko ne ho amuni agro na nu so de ne family na tu kwan akọ Paris oh mumbo man mumbo na guy bi wo ha say street ni DJs na also ko pie mu abro show ka che guy say hye me free Ghana ma men sure say ne no Ghana what the chair no cry what season ya him rest here.
Hey, 200K, keep promise. Let me talk to them.
Father set me free from the shackles of my haters. Let's go.
And I watch almost sunnier. Yeah, no Ghana. Oh, Mumbo Mano, thank you for raising the flag of Ghana so high. Can promise now Wendy Shay wo kasie bobi mam we kasie tew muntie no emra na oba matrewa de kronti ade o kan ye no kre tie brasisi
like the way Shatta, Sarkodie, Stone, we know them to be very successful financially in the music space. The women are there, or let me say, is there anyone who is also rich like these three artists like the males? Maybe we don't know, because we see the men flaunting. I've been showing the women like, is it so?
I'm rich, and rich is also relative. What do you call wealth? When it comes to monetary, I have it. I can afford everything that I want. And so you say this job where we do, it be seriously financial. Capital intensive, right? Do you understand? So ask me where I get my money from, because I don't have investors who are investing in me. We are still looking for it's our own money that we are putting. So everything that you see, it's coming from the music. There is so much money in the music.
Yeah, I mean, I be my cousin will be say once was that me pe answer with the mouth from beginning say a relative because obi wealth nkwa owo obi osika pa wada aso pitim paso a sika no krampo no bai na abusua pan pre ho obi so wealth sa onyare obi so wealth ye emma ena obi de ye sika nti no egugu mu ahodo obi ha ne de but officer de all kan so obo a me sipi supi say Wendy Shay me booking show last week I entry 150 1 semano rock town record Wendy Shay 150,000 Ghana cedis 1.5 billion titisika eti artists no in fact Friday me shada be ma wo mo rate card one who say they are not playing again gone were the days na ya money ibari ya chi cake noodles ya hono there be omejai say it's called margin Skatwa is a Ghana crash. She's one of the Wendy Shay is I think the most booked female artist in Ghana now. Wendy Shay. Because no netada show me and shows us why zongo fair near dingina. And you know, yeah, we can argue, but she's rich, and you can ska about range over near the iron to us. I over the palm by the huh? Or to 10K, no. Why your mistake? Because what they have about 10K son, which is a hard work. Echi ayentie de o tweet ye enkan tete Twitter he says almost say X. I think a great opportunity to make money in Ghana is developing good work ethic. Since it's rare, you will be irreplaceable, then you up your price. Oh, yes, so be was I think a great opportunity to make money in Ghana is developing good work ethic. Since it's rare, you'll be irreplaceable. Then you up your price from there. And I'm catch also be about Trump and my boys are standing me here. Me sure some more to me that I say pamonesa. What I say? Unless what you man show any. And I'm what me with me pamonesa. I want pamonesa. And you know, Janiye, Jabibi, Chomo sa na ya guys. Chomo sa obede pombedi. And also I know. If your man quite always be pamonesa, don't me pamono. Because what your health ness is for a warrior. It will be ye. Na boom na yenye nyame pene no kwafo ni penti nta mo na ye liye sani obedi A204 no na yenko na nim crowd hyiam chese na buafu asama obeken ho ye wa hai na ye campaign after election no campaign me braid your SRC or SRC press up o when ya fe da sa mo be frustrating no ntsa ye jeje to so dudu Edi aye SRC week. Ni ajiji abomu a multimi raise 200,000 Ghana city 2 billion. And don't forget, Guru himself is an artist. It's on him sani eko. Na kwa ku smoke kundum waji 200,000 Ghana city 2 billion. Eti was who said 2 billion enko etimi twi artist ba akoka. Sai matete sa mo na machire di ne ho nsekuru. Kekansa mo wona chi sesika no awo kodi. Mama brand buafu wapai ntie bimba wapai
Uniskano, you don't have the money. Obi I engage you obi di no ba. Nipano because of the relationship or no work for years. Nipano who say yo let me show support to a brother willing to come on board. Why you willing say oba be bueni ni amana you. Na students na fresh after phone. I can't change and say yo obwa na Skawo ho usika ye senya usika ye 200,000 Ope Blacko. Do you know how much Blacko is charging? Do you know how much Sarkodie charges? Do you know how much Stoneboy is charging? Now student a phone a catch and say, yo, don't come. Don't come. Now he's lying. We have the money. Don't come now. Obwa yesika wone ho. SRC sika yesenya. Budget for SRM. Anami yinchom.
Oh aba. Ebufu aba woni a wo yesa wo konkonsi wo nsekuru. Kafa beja mekwa na menkama because Ghana me na midi konkonsa wa has at this time. No wetimi afa phone. There's a one ante. What say credits? Hey. Kama honi to Presbyterian hymn. Beso mensa jeje me majen kwapa. Wa ma set na munei. Wate, na nyame enfree from konkonsa kwa nye. Me am so make am so kwa me konkon ni sa. Ah, benye. Oh, how unia. Ti afi what ya say. When Shatawale was pushing for say entry artist ke you have na mate say. Because those days artists so many 10k crop e say o manu bia bie no say woni mo a. Because agenda no esun ti guru. Calm down. Femodin wonu. Ya menka ho pa ye na adwuma de obeye na ye ne sa. Abuti amamenda hair logistics GHS. Ono na ama me we ga share or Instagram, TikTok at hair logistics GH. Makacho e shawabaka sawabo hwehwe chi akwan e ba ne braided wig capsa. She's the baddest in the game. Very affordable na nya bi hair logistics GH wonom Sarah Opare I am a director obomechi dom de mu din ye pa Frank Bomma Sarah Opare o ye adwuma ni ye kaya ho atene ko kaya ho OPD ya me producer Richmond so ta mechi de mu din Richmond on a director me say no so okoja akwan no na enyo Friday me de fella na bebrem wate Obed wa ha Richard wa ha Frank Eugenia Baden touch of Kumbe our makeup department, MCR sound light. Yadamunga must me the sister Sandy be a guy. 2 times a guy. Ya crowd and I sleep. I know what to. Yabese share macro. Bye for now.